Hey everybody, tonight we are just making a very simple soup. It's called chicken velvet soup. My granny used to make this for us when we were little and didn't feel good, and she just served it with crackers. But you can make it for a regular weeknight meal. It's so quick, so easy, so good, economical. The ingredient list is so easy, I'm just gonna call it out. You'll need 3 cups of chicken broth, roughly, if you know, it's all relative. A half a cup of milk, doesn't matter what kind of milk. A half a cup of half and half. 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. A stick of butter. And a can of chicken. That's it. Can't get much simpler than that. We're going to get this pan hot and get it centered. I have the worst time with centering. Alright, I got my butter open and I'm just going to cut this butter in little squares just for ease of melt. We're going to drop that butter. Hear that sizzle? That's what I want. Y'all know I love that sizzle when I'm cooking. That means my pot won't stick. Alright, now I don't want to burn my butter, so we're going to do that like that. Now I need 6 tablespoons of flour. 5, 6. Okay, and you need to stir constant. As soon as you drop that flour, you need to start stirring because you want this to stay a really pretty creamy color and not burn. And what you're basically doing is just cooking your flour. Now we're going to add our broth. Keep stirring. All right. Now that wasn't a whole carton. I'd already used a cup out of there, so it was 3 cups. And you need a half a cup of milk. And you need a half a cup of half and half. Okay, now you need to go back to stirring. And just keep right on stirring. It's an easy, quick recipe, but you do have to stay on top of it. And you'll need to keep stirring this. You don't want the bottom to scorch. If it scorches, it's ruined. So you just keep stirring. And when it comes to a boil, then you'll turn it down to medium. All right, I am boiling now. I need to turn this eye down to like a medium low so I can stop those bubbles. Because we don't want bubbles. We don't want to curdle it. Now we're going to add our chicken. Alright, got our can open. And we are not going to throw anything away. Alright, we're going to pour that juice in there. No sense in throwing that away. It's perfectly good chicken broth. And we're just going to drop that right on in our pot. Don't leave nothing out. They charge too much for that stuff now. Make sure you get it all. Okay, and then you're just going to kind of break up that chicken a little bit more. Unless you like chunky chicken, now you can leave it whole. It doesn't matter. And then you just let it warm that chicken. I mean, this soup really, really is budget friendly. And you can use it to make other soup replacements. You can use it to make cream of asparagus. You know, just put you some the canned asparagus in here. Use your emulsion blender and blend it all up. Now you have cream of asparagus. Mushrooms, cream of mushroom. Onions, cream of onion. Whatever cream of you need, that's your base. Very cost effective, economical, easy to do. It takes you just a few minutes. You just have to keep stirring. That's your only drawback, is that you really have to stay by the stove so that you don't scorch it. All right, well, I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope you make you some soup, and we'll see you next time. Bye.